أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وآله الطيبين الطاهرين ولعنة الدائمة على أعدائهم أجمعين إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فقد قال الله الحكيم في كتابه الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we will be continuing Madina Arabic Book 2, Lesson 6, Ad-Darsus Sadisu, on page 49. So today, inshallah, I will be reading out the lesson and also translating it along and also showing some of the tarakib and the grammatical stuff, inshallah. So let's begin. Al-Mudarris. لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد. لمن, for who, هذه, these. Now here we have got a new point to learn, that the word هذه can also be used to refer to these. First we have learned that هذا means this for masculine and hazihi means this for feminine. But now we are learning that hazihi can also be a pronoun, a demonstrative pronoun for plurals. Which type of plurals? A particular type of plurals that are called jama mukassir. Jam'u mukassir. Jama mukassir means a broken plural. Jama mukassir, and add something here, غير عاقل. غير عاقل. غير عاقل means the things that don't have any aql, the things that are not rational, irrational things. So aqlamu is obviously the plural, the jama for qalam. The jama for qalam is aqlam, and that this aqlam is a broken plural, a jama mukassir li ghayr aqil. Jama mukassir ghayr aqil. Something that is not rational, and we make a plural of it, and that plural, if it is jama mukassir, then we use all the pronouns and demonstrative nouns of the feminine. Let's start over. لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد. For who? لمن, for who? Yeah, for whom? These pens. هذه الأقلام, these pens. These, هذه, these, أقلام, pens. Ya Muhammad. So Muhammad replies, Hiya li. They are. Now again, the word hiya will be translated not she, but they. Li means for me. They are for me. Ya Ustazu, O teacher. They are for me, O teacher. So now the new thing that we have learned today is that hazihi and hiya can also be used for jama mukassir ghair aqil. You have to write it down and you have to remember it. You have to memorize the term jama mukassir ghair aqil. I will write it again here. Jama mukassir ghair aqil. Not aqil, okay? Only for ghair aqil things. जमा मुकस्सिर गैर आकिल के लिए जो ज़मायर इस्तेमाल होते हैं वो वाहिद मुअन्नस के इस्तेमाल होते हैं, जैसे हाज़िही, हिया। इसी तरह आगे जाके हम पढ़ेंगे तिलका, तो लफ्ज स्टिल का भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है अगर दैट कहना हो. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, अल मुदर्रिस हिया जमीलतुन जिद्दन. हिया, तो यहाँ पर हिया के माने क्या है? नॉट शी इज बट दे आर. जमीलतुन, नॉट जमील. व्हाई? Because a jama mukassir ghair aqil is considered a singular feminine. A singular feminine. It is dealt like a singular feminine. So that is why we don't say hiya jamilun or huwa jamilun or hum jamilun, right? We say hiya jamilatun. They are beautiful. Jiddan. وهذه الكتب. You see again with the word kutub, because kutub is also the plural for kitab. The plural for kitab is kutub. هذا كتاب. هذه كتب. Now, وهذه الكتب, and these books. These is the translation for هذه, these. And kutub, you know that it's the plural of book, which is books. So kutub means books. Which books? Al-Jadida. وهذه الكتب الجديدة. And these are books new. Or you can also say, and these are new books. Ahiya laka. Is a question. Here means these. Laka means for you or belong to you. La plus ka makes it laka, for you, belonging to you. Ahiya. Is a question. Hiya means these. In this lesson we have learned hiya can also mean these. Otherwise, in the previous lessons we have learned that hiya means she, but not now. We are discussing, we are referring to the jama mukassir ghair aqil. Jama mukassir ghair aqil. If you want to learn something from this lesson today, just learn this term, jama mukassir ghair aqil. Jama mukassir ghair aqil. Jama mukassir ghair aqil. Now you understand the meaning of each word out of these. Jama means plural, mukassir means broken, ghair means not, aqil means sane. Uh, so let's move on. Muhammad says, La hiya li Hamidin. No, these are for Hamid. Not she is for Hamid. These are for Hamid because we are talking about Jama Mukassir, Ghair Aqil. Next sentence, Al-Mudarris asks, Aina dafatirukum? Aina dafatirukum? Now here again, dafatirukum. Dafatir is the Jama for daftar. Daftar means notebook or register. So, Aina dafatirukum? Ya ikhwanu. Where are your notebooks, O brothers? Where are your notebooks, O brothers? So now this is a Jama Mukassir. Again, Jama Mukassir, Ghair Aqil. Write it down like this, like I am writing. Just to remember things, it's better to write them down. Jama Mukassir, Ghair Aqil. Ghair Aqil. Dafatar is a Jama Mukassir, Ghair Aqil. So what would be the pronoun or demonstrative noun? Hiya. Now, we don't say she. We will say these, or they are here. Huna means there. Huna means here. I'm sorry. Huna means here. Ala hadha al-maktab. On this desk. They are here on this desk. They are here on this desk. Here. They are. Huna. Here. على هذا المكتب. On on this table. Let's revise. المدرس asks لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد? For whom are these pens, O Muhammad? Muhammad replies, هي لي يا أستاذ. They are, هي means they are, li for me. Or you can also say they belong to me, O teacher. Then the Mudarris asks, says, هي جميلة جدا. These are very beautiful, right? Don't say she is very beautiful because it is the Mudarris is referring to the books. وهذه الكتب الجديدة, and these are new books. أهي لك? Are they yours or are they belong to you? Do they belong to you? Muhammad replies, لا هي لحامد. No, they are for Hamid. Or no, they belong to Hamid. Mudarris asks, أين دفاتركم يا إخوان? Where are your notebooks, O brothers? Ali replies, هي هنا. They are here. هي هنا. Don't say she is here. Say they are here because we are referring to books, not to a singular feminine. على هذا المكتب. On this table. They are here on this table. That's it for today's lesson. Now let's move on to the points to remember, and then inshallah we'll do the exercises. Today is my turn for doing the exercises and everything, inshallah. So this is page number 53. Points to remember. Points to remember, page number 53. In this lesson, we learn the following. Number one, in Arabic nouns are classified as number one, rational, and number two, irrational. Aqil and ghair aqil. Aqil and ghair aqil. They are also called intelligent and non-intelligent. Same thing, aqil or ghair aqil. Rational nouns are those that refer to the human beings. Angels, devils, and such beings are also included in this class. Irrational nouns refer to things, animals, and concepts. Things, animals, and concepts. In the singular, there is no difference between these two groups. In the plural, however, there is a very important difference. Plural of rational nouns are treated as plural. So plural words like they, these, are used to refer to them. Plural of irrational nouns are treated as feminine singular. I will read this last sentence again. Plurals of irrational nouns are treated as feminine singular. And the words which will be used will be هذه, هذه, تلك, هي. Every pronoun that is used for واحد مؤنث will be used for جمع مكسر غير عاقل. جمع مكسر غير عاقل. You have to remember this term. جمع مكسر غير عاقل. Okay. So the singular would be هذا طالب جديد هو صغير. This is singular. If we make it a plural, we will say for هذا we say هؤلاء. For طالب we say طلاب. For جديد we say جدد. For هو we say هم. For صغير we change it to صغار. So the whole sentence changes. هذا طالب جديد هو صغير changes to هؤلاء طلاب جدد هم صغار. When we have irrational, غير عاقل, how do we change it? The real sentence, the singular sentence was هذا كتاب جديد هو صغير. هذا, this, كتاب, book, جديد, new, هو means he or it, صغير means small. Now what if we change it to plural? هذه كتب جديدة هي صغيرة. Everything changes. هذا changes to هذه. Why? Because kitab has changed to kutub. Now this is the real change. Kitab changes to kutub, so everything else changes. Right? Kitab has changed to kutub. When we make singular to plural, kitab changes to kutub. Now kutub is jama mukassir. Yes. غير عاقل. جمع مكسر غير عاقل. جمع مكسر غير عاقل. جمع مكسر غير عاقل. Have to remember this term. Okay. Then the صفة جديد changes to جديدة. The pronoun demonstrative pronoun هو changes to هي. صغير changes to صغيرة. Why? Because the kitab changed to kutub. Everything related to kutub is feminine. Everything related to kutub is feminine. Everything related to kitab is masculine. If you don't get this point, please rewind and watch this again. It will take 2 or 3 minutes, but you will get the concept, inshallah, or you can ask me on my WhatsApp, no problem. Now, let's move on. There is a note here. So regard the plural of irrational nouns as feminine singular. Regard the plural of irrational nouns as feminine singular. The students went out. الطلاب خرجوا. The dogs went out. الكلاب خرجت. Now this is a note and this needs some explanation. خرجوا is when you have jama muzakkar. Jama muzakkar. Masculine plural. So you say kharaju. Now if you change it to plural, right? For animals, not for human beings, okay? The at-tullabu kharajat is not possible because tullab are aqil. They are not ghair aqil. But what about a kalb? Kalb, not qalb, okay? Kalb. Kalb is a dog. Kalb. The jama for kalb is kilab. Now you can see that this is a jama mukassir, a broken plural for ghair aqil. So of course we won't say al-kilabu kharaju. We would say al-kilabu kharajat. Now kharajat means she went out. It actually means she went out. But when it is used with the jama mukassir ghair aqil, it gives the meaning they went out. Let's move on to point number 2. We have learned some patterns of the broken plurals. Here are some more. The pattern is mafa'ilu. The word is masjidun. Masjidun with a tanween in singular. The plural is masajidu. It's very simple. It's used in Urdu and all the languages. Masjid ki jama masajid, daftar ki jama dafatar. Right? So the plurals are the same as they are in Urdu and Arabic. But whenever you have jama mukassir ghair aqil, what happens is that all their settings change to wahid muannas. These were the points to remember. The new words today are an-nahr, river, al-bahr, sea, al-funduq, hotel, a-ta'irah, airplane. Let's move on to the exercises. Okay, so we come back to the lesson 6 here on page number 49. تأمل تأمل think about الأمثلة الآتية the examples. Now أمثلة is a broken plural جمع مكسر, so that is why the صفة is آتية. الأمثلة الآتية مفرد singular. What is singular? هذا طالب جديد. This is a new student. هو من أمريكا. He is from America. If we make change it to Jama, هذا changes to هؤلاء, طالب changes to طلاب, جديد changes to جدد, هو changes to هم, من أمريكا does not change. هؤلاء طلاب جدد. These are students new. These are new students. هم, they are من أمريكا, from America. Now, about the جمع مكسر غير عاقل. If we have a mufrad here, هذا كتاب جديد. This is a new book. هو من أمريكا. It is from America, or he is from America. Now, in English, we don't say book is a he or a she, right? But in Arabic, everything has a gender. So kitab is he. Okay. Now, and watch is she. So let's move on. Haza changes to hazihi. Like from mufrad, we change it to jama. We change it from wahid to jama. Haza changes to hazihi. Why? Because kitab has changed to kutub. This is the real change. This is the actual change that we make when we change the singular to plural. But all the other related things will also change along. So, هذه, these, كتب, books, جديدة, new, هي, they, or not she, okay? They, here now means they, من America, from America. So, I have repeatedly discussed about the rule of Jama Mukassir, غير عاقل. This was page 49. We are moving on to page 50. حول المبتدا, change the subject في كل, from all, من الجمل الآتية, from the following sentences, إلى جمع, to plurals. حول المبتدا في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع. Change the subjects of every one from the sentences that are following to plural. Now, هذا بيت. So we don't say هؤلاء بيوت, because بيوت is not عاقل. It is جمع مكسر غير عاقل. So when we have جمع مكسر غير عاقل, what we do? We change to feminine singular. هذه بيوت. هذا نجم. هذه نجوم. هذا درس. هذه دروس. هذا قلم. هذه أقلام. هذا باب. هذه أبواب. So we don't translate she is the doors. No, they are the doors. These are the doors, right? These are the doors. هذا نهر. هذه أنهار. Now, هذا جبل. هذه جبال. هذا كلب. هذه كلاب. هذا بحر. هذه بحار. هذا كتاب. هذه كتب. And then هذا حمار. هذه حمر. هذه حمر. هذا سرير. هذه سرر. هذا دفتر. هذه دفاتر. Now دفاتر, okay, not دفاتر. And then هذا مكتب. هذه مكاتب. هذه مكاتب. These are tables. هذا فندق. This is a hotel. هذه فنادق. These are hotels. هذه ساعة. Now هذا. Now these are feminines. ساعة and سيارة. هذه سيارة. هذه ساعة. هذه ساعات. هذه سيارة. هذه سيارات. Why? Because it is Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil. Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil will be treated as Wahid Muannas. Page number 51. هذه طائرة. This is an aeroplane. هذه طائرات. These are aeroplanes. ذلك نجم. That is a star. Now هذا and هذه changes to ذلك. That. Right. ذلك نجم. تلك نجوم. Write it down, please. Tilka. Let me write it like this. Tilka nujumun. Tilka nujumun. Tilka sayyaratun. Tilka sayyaratun. Sayyarah ki jama sayyarat. Tilka sayyaratun. Okay, inshallah. Let's move on. Ashir. Ashir. इशारा करो إلى الأسماء الآتية towards the following nouns باسم إشارة with an اسم إشارة with a demonstrative pronoun مناسب that is appropriate suitable للقريب for closeness. So we have three of them. هذا هذه هؤلاء. هذا هذه هؤلاء. Now what's the catch here? هذا هذه هؤلاء is this time not so simple as it was last time. Why? Now we have got जमा मुकस्सिर गैर आखिल. अच्छा जी. Now for रजुल. Anybody willing to participate now? Sister Zainab?
Assalamu alaikum, Maulana. I think I'm the only one here today.
Yes, I think so. So what do we call rajulun?
Rajulun. Rajulun.
What do we say? Haza rajulun, hazihi rajulun, or haulai rajulun? Which one is correct? Okay, let me do it for you. Let me do it once, and then you can.
Haza rajulun.
Yes, haza rajulun is correct. Now let me do the exercise first, and inshallah, then you can do it tomorrow. The next one is rijalun. So for rijalun is not jama mukassir ghair aqil. This is jama mukassir. This is jama mukassir, but it is not for ghair aqil. This is for aqil. So we use haulai. We don't use hazihi. We use haulai. Why? Because it is aqil. It is jama mukassir, okay? It is jama mukassir. Rajul ki jama rijal, but it is not ghair aqil.
It is akhil.
हाँ जी हाँ. So that is why we use haulai. The next one, kalbun. Kalbun is a dog, so it would be haza kalbun. This is a dog. Then we have number 4, kilabun. Kilabun is the jama mukassir for kalbun. Kalbun means dog, a dog. Kilabun means dogs, plural, and they are ghair aqil. So we don't say haulai kilabun. Instead we say hazihi kilabun. Hazihi kilabun. These are dogs. Number 5, durusun. So of course we cannot say haza durusun because it's plural. We cannot say haulai durusun because durus are not aqil. This is jama mukassir for darsun. Darsun, durusun. This is jama mukassir. Yes, it is. But it is not aqil. So that's why we don't use haulai. Instead we use hazihi.
Hazihi.
Number 6, mudarrisuna. Mudarrisuna. The first thing in the word mudarrisuna is that it is not jama mukassir. It is jama salim. Muslim ki muslimuna, mu'min ki mu'minuna, kafir ki kafiruna, fasiq ki fasiquna, mudarris ki mudarrisuna. So this is jama salim, a sound plural. So the rule does not apply on the sound plural. We would say haulai mudarrisuna. Simplified. Haulai mudarrisuna. Then number 7. Akhawati. Akhawati. Not ikhwati. Akhawati. Sisters. Now akhawati means my sisters, plural. But the thing is that although it is a jama mukassir, it is jama mukassir, but still it is for aqil. So what do we use? Haulai, akhawati, haulai, akhawati. These are my sisters. Haulai, akhawati. These are my sisters. Number 8, aqlamun. Now aqlamun is jama mukassir for qalamun. है ना? qalamun का जमा qalamuna तो नहीं होगा. So it is aqlamun. So aqlamun is a broken plural and it is for ghair aqil. So we use
So
what
hazihi.
do hazihi. Ahsant. Hazihi. Number 9, kitabun. Kitabun is a masculine singular, so we use
Haza.
haza. Ahsant. Number 10, sayyaratun. Sayyaratun ki jama. The plural of sayyaratun. The plural of sayyaratun
So
is
hazihi.
sayaratun. So although, so what we do is hazihi because jama mukassir ghair aqil.
Ghair aqil.
Sayyaratun, a single car. Number 11, sayyaratun, a single car. That's also hazihi. Hazihi sayyaratun, hazihi sayyaratun. Number 12, himarun. Himarun. So himar is a donkey, a male donkey, so it is haza himarun. Then we have number 13, kutubun. Kutubun is the plural for kitabun, so that is jama mukassir ghair akil, we will use hazihi. Number 14, humurun. The plural for himar. is humor. The plural for himar is humor. Humor. So humor
Humor.
is jama mukassir ghair aqil. Just remember this phrase, jama mukassir ghair aqil. That's why we use hazihi. Number 15, ainun. Ainun means an eye. Ainun is an eye, a body part that is in pair. So it is dealt as a feminine. So we write hazihi. Body part that is in pair will be dealt as feminine noun. So that is hazihi. Number 16, tabibatun. Tabibatun, a lady doctor. So that is hazihi. Then we have tabibatun. Tabibatun. So tabibat are lady doctors. They are not ghair aqil. So that's why we use haulai. Hazihi tabibatun, haulai tabibatun. But for sayyaratun, it is hazihi. You see? You can take a screenshot if you want, and then inshallah you can refer to it. Because we have the next exercise, I think it's on the same pattern. Let's move on now. Now, in the next question, question number 4, Ashir, point towards ilal asma il atiyati. The following nouns, باسم إشارة للبعيد, for pointing towards something, the demonstrative pronoun for far away things. So there are three pronouns, zalika, tilka, and ulaika. Zalika is for singular male, tilka is for singular female, ulaika is for plurals, males and females. And tilka is also used for jama mukassir ghair aqil. Why? Because the jama mukassir ghair aqil is always treated as singular feminine, jama muannas. Talibun. So here we have got zalika, tilka, and ulaika. Talibun. Zalika talibun. That is a student. Tullabun. Tullabun again is a jama mukassir, but it is for aqil. Tullab are not ghair aqil. So, although it is a jama mukassir, but it is for aqil. So that's why we use ulaika. We have learned this in the previous lesson. Number 3, najmun. Najmun is a single star. So we say zalika najmun. Number 4, nujumun. Now nujum is the plural of najam. The jama of najam is nujum. It is a broken plural. It is a jama mukassir and it is for ghair aqil. What do we use? Tilka. Tilka nujumun. Those are stars. Those are stars. Not she is a star. Not she are a star. Okay. Those are stars. Number 5. Bintun. That is a girl. That is a daughter. Tilka bintun. Because she is a singular she, so of course tilka. Just a second now. Let me place this calf properly. Tilka bintun. Number 6. Now we have the plural for bintun is banatun. So banatun are jama, but they are aqil. So what we use? Ulaika. Ulaika banatun. Number 7. Darrajatun. Darrajatun, a bicycle, which is a feminine noun. Why? It has got a ta marbuta at the end. So it is a feminine noun and a singular. واحد مؤنث. So for واحد مؤنث, what we use? تلك. تلك دراجة. Number 8, دراجات. Bicycles. Plural. So now this is for غير عاقل. تلك دراجات. Number 9, سرير. واحد مذكر. ذلك سرير. Number 10, سرور. The plural of سرير is سرور. So سرور is a broken plural for a غير عاقل. What do we use? تلك. Number 11, دجاجة. دجاجة is a feminine noun because it has got a ta marbuta at the end and it is singular. So for singular feminine nouns we use tilka. That is a chicken. Number 12, mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun is a female teacher. Because of the ta marbuta we know it is a she, a female teacher. So what do we say to a female teacher? Singular, tilka. Tilka mudarrisatun. That is a lady teacher. Tilka mudarrisatun. That is a lady teacher. Oh, just a second. Just take a screenshot if you want to. This is on page 51. Use of zalika, tilka and ulaika. Now we have got 5 more. Number 13. Mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun is a are the lady teachers. So lady teachers are aqil. So we would say ulaika. Ulaika. Mudarrisatun. Number 14. Hajjun. Hajjun. Hajjun is a Haji Sahib. Singular, singular Haji. Pilgrim. So what do we say? Zalika Hajjun. Zalika Hajjun. And for Hujjajun, they are men, right? So Ulaika. Although it is a broken plural, but still it is Hujjaj. Now, Masjidun. Masjidun is Zalika, that's simple. Zalika Masjidun, that is a masjid. Number 17. Sayyaratun. Sayyaratun. Jama Mukassir. For غير عاقل, we use tilka sayyaratun. So inshallah, I hope that it is clarified. Alhamdulillah. أسماء الإشارة للقريب للعاقل. Just focus on this part. Okay. أسماء الإشارة للقريب للعاقل. أسماء الإشارة. Demonstrative pronouns for close things. For عاقل. هذا طالب. هذه طالبة. هؤلاء طلاب. هؤلاء طالبات. So if it is aqil, we use هؤلاء for طلاب and طالبات. You have noticed that the word طلاب is jama mukassir, but still it is for aqil, it's not for غير aqil. What about أسماء الإشارة للبعيد للعاقل؟ ذلك طالب. تلك طالبة. أولئك طلاب. أولئك طالبات. So in every case, whenever we have aqil, we have a haulai and ulaika. Either it's a masculine or feminine or whatever. If it is aqil, the simplified rule applies. If it is ghair aqil, now أسماء الإشارة للقريب لغير العاقل. هذا بيت. Now look here. This is the gist of this lesson today. هذا بيت. هذه بيوت. These are houses. هذه سيارة. This is a car. هذه سيارات. These are cars. ذلك بيت. That is a house. تلك بيوت. Those are houses. Not these, okay? Those are houses. تلك سيارة. That is a car. تلك سيارات. Those are cars. Take a screenshot of it and have a look at it for at least 6-7 days. Just you need to have a look and just revise. And inshallah, it will easily be learned. So Alhamdulillah, we have finished page number 52 till page number 53 and 54, inshallah. Tomorrow, your homework for tomorrow is to just go through the lesson, do the exercises, try to do the translations, and try to grasp the concept of Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil. The core thing to understand in this lesson is the Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil. Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil. For
एक
Jama
क्वेश्चन है हमारा.
Mukassir Aqil, हाँ मैं खत्म करता हूँ फिर आप पूछें. For Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil, we use the words hiya as a pronoun, right? Tilk, hazihi, hazihi, for ismul ishara lil qareeb. Tilka, for ismul ishara lil ba'id. And all the sifat will be according to the Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil. The Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil is dealt as singular feminine. Because here, hadihi and tilka, all these words are used for she. So now we have got this new concept about Jama Mukassir Ghair Aqil. जी आपका क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए प्लीज.
जमा मुकसर गैर आखिल में हिया हाज़िही तिलका है खाली. हिया
जी
हाज़िही तिलका. ओके. नहीं, मेरा
हो तो हम
क्वेश्चन ये है.
जी आप
मेरा
क्वेश्चन कीजिए.
क्वेश्चन है पेज नंबर 53 पे. ये जो
जी
बोल रहा है पॉइंट्स टू रिमेम्बर में
हाँ,
rational nouns are
जी
those that refer
जी
to human beings. उसके
जी
बाद लिखा हुआ है angels, devils and such beings are also included in this class. So that
जी.
means angels and devils, what are the and such beings? What such beings बोल रहा है? Is it referring to angels and devils in this?
Aha, of course. Angels, devils, and any fantastic beings. So they are included in the Aqil side.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. हम्म.
ठीक है? They are
अच्छा
included in the Aqil side. Ghair Aqil are things. Usually, the Ghair Aqil are things or animals. Things or animals.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Things and animals are ghair aqil. That's why.
Hmm.
If it is Jama Salim, then it's very simple. Haulai and ulaika. But if it is Jama Mukassir, then we have to see that either it is Jama Mukassir aqil or Jama Mukassir ghair aqil.
Hmm.
ठीक है? This is a new
Yeah.
concept. I know. I understand that this is a new concept, and you have to do the lesson at least twice. Inshallah, tomorrow it will be your turn to do the lesson and translate and everything. Inshallah, will settle. صلى الله على محمد وآله الطاهرين.